welcome back to Kendra's Kaboodle. If you're new here, I'm Courtney. I'm so excited to have you. Make sure you click that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of the fun. While you're there, hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos. I upload 3 times every week. So today, I have this beautiful purple smoky eye. I had so much fun creating it, and it wasn't too terribly hard. It only takes 3 shadow scent shades. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this awesome purple smoky eye, please keep watching. So you guys can see I've already got my full face of foundation on here. We are fixing to do some fun eyes today. eyes are done. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is get some liner, mascara on. All right, so that is the finished look.